Today I'm creating a sun catcher using this wood outline that I cut on my laser machines, and we're going to fill it with glass and resin, and I think it's going to turn out beautiful, and I hope you like it too. So we're going to start by painting the wood outline black or any color of your choice on both the front and back side, and I'm just using a makeup sponge to do that. Now this is paper transfer tape, and everyone asks me, where do you get this transfer tape? I get it on Amazon, and you just want to look up paper transfer tape. There's a couple of different brands. I've used the Frisco Craft. I've used the Vinyl Ease. I've used several different brands, and it's just a sticky backer that you use for like vinyl projects, but we're going to use it to hold in all of our crushed glass. So I am putting in Disco Ball. That's that gray color in the silo there. And then this is Treetop, and this is going into the little green areas. And then I'm going to use a color called Golden Honey in the little dirt path driveway area there. And it's going to mimic what I think is like a dirt path. And so that right there is Golden Honey. And then we're going to put in the black, which is Cosmic Coal, into the window area and the barn doors, and then on the rooftop as well. And I'm doing a red barn, and the color is Firestorm. We do have a new color called Ruby Red, which is more of a vibrant red, but I love the Firestorm because it's got like mixed different colors in it. It's really, really pretty. And all of this glass is recycled glass. There's three colors that we color ourselves: the Purple Rain, the Pink Pop, and Terracotta. And so you can get this crushed glass available as well as those wood cutouts. We have 120 different wood cutouts right now to make these, sun catchers and faux stained glass. And so for applying this glass into the openings, you can pour it in, and I'm just using my finger to push it around, and I'm using this baby spoon. Listen, use what you got to pour it into the little areas. I didn't have my little silicone cup that I normally use, and so I thought, well, I'll just use a spoon. And so in the sky area, I am applying the Daydream color. It's like a light blue with clear crushed glass. And it's going to really create a pretty sky color. And the clear with the blue is going to it creates a little bit of a foggy look. It's really, really pretty. You have to trust the process. But I ended up adding a little bit more glass into the opening that I wanted to. So I just scooped it out and moved it to the other section. So just apply the glass, use your finger to move it around. You should probably wear gloves. It is crushed glass, and it could cut you, but I have not had any issues, not to say that it couldn't happen. So use caution, wear proper PPE. And in the frame of this cutout, I am putting in that Disco Ball. That's that gray color. And I just love how it turned out. I love this so much. It's one of my favorites. Look at how pretty that is. Okay, now for the next part, we're going to be using resin. It's part A and part B, so equal parts 1-to-1 ratio. And I'm using the KHKD brand. I love it. I get it on Amazon. And you're going to want to mix it according to the directions. If you order this one, it's going to come with directions. It's going to tell you what to do. I put in part B first, then part A, and then you mix until there's no swirls and it's clear, and then you just start drizzling. So this video is super sped up. I typically do all these videos live. I know people don't want to sit through like a 2-hour live video, so I have edited some of these videos down just to help, introduce like how to do these cutouts and how cool they are. They're really fun, and I love to do them. I really enjoy the time that I can spend on something like this, and then it's just a fun project. So I'm obviously using a popsicle stick, and I'm just drizzling the resin into all the little openings, and you want to coat the glass and cover it up to kind of the wood frame. You don't want to overfill it. I've learned my lesson many times on overfilling. So as you see, it's just drizzle, lots of drizzling, lots of pouring, lots of drizzling, and then just let the resin level itself into the cutout before you add any more. I don't recommend pouring it all over. And then just wait. And then if you see any areas, use a little tool to kind of like get in the corners and make sure that resin is coating all of your glass so that it will stay in. Now, this is going to cure over a period of time, however long it takes for the resin that you use. And after about 7 or so hours, maybe 8, I will pull off that transfer tape off the back. And usually it's pretty cured for me to do that. It's still not cured all the way, but I can pull off that transfer tape. And it doesn't leave any sticky residue behind. Now, I just use a paintbrush to cover the outline. And this is how it looks. Let it cure. And then here's me pulling off that back. It comes off really easy. And then you're going to be able to, like I said, drill some holes into this if you want to, hang it, lean it. If you have any extra that kind of leaked out the sides, you can just clip it off. But I just love how this turned out. And I cannot wait for you to see it. If you would love to get these cutouts and crushed glass, please check out my shop and follow me for more. Thanks for watching.